In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could level up your pets fast here in Grow a Garden on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you're trying to reach level 50 or even level 100 quickly, this guide is going to be for you. And there's a few things that you're going to need to do, but the first thing that you need to understand is that to level up pets as fast as possible, your active pet slots should be filled with specific pets. This is because their abilities will end up stacking, meaning that you can have multiple of the exact same pet dramatically increase your XP gain speed. The best pets by far is the capybara. This is an S tier pet and it is the most important pet by far because it gives about 3.4 XP per second to nearby pets. It also prevents nearby pets from losing hunger. This should always be active when leveling up. The bald owl is also pretty good since it does provide that flat XP boost. And the higher the weight of the pet that you're trying to level, the more XP it is going to gain. The moth is also pretty good for AFK XP gain. But the starfish is one of the best pets of all time, and that's because of the ostrich starfish strategy. And this is the one that you're going to want to run. Essentially, what you're going to want to do is equip 5 to 6 ostriches, because ostriches give newborn pets a random age bonus from 1 to 10 whenever they hatch starfish eggs specifically, and because of your ostriches, these starfish will hatch at a much higher level, sometimes over age 10. From here, just place that newborn starfish near the capybara, and the XP is going to stack from the starfish's natural XP gain, the capybara XP boost, and the ostrich age head start. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel though with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.